gonna log on now. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm just getting ready this morning. Today is Wednesday, so this vlog is gonna be a couple work days in my life, and I'm just getting myself ready for my first meeting of the day. I just took a shower, so that's why my hair was wrapped up in a bun, because I didn't wash it, but I'm gonna try to make it look good because I'm gonna be on camera. Today is the first Wednesday that it's not a reporting day for me because I actually started a new role at work. So it's been a little bit of a busy last couple months, truthfully, because this process has been very, very long. But I'm finally excited to share that with you. And so this morning we're having a big meeting with our new senior vice president and basically doing a walkthrough of all of our projects because he's new as well, which is good for me because it's a really good onboarding experience. On day 3 of my role, I get to hear about everybody on the team and what they've been working on for the last while. So I need to get ready quickly. I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in my hair to try to make it look a little bit more presentable for my call. Do a little bit of makeup. Since I've been meeting people for the first time and doing a lot of video calls over the last few days, I've been actually getting ready every day, which is a weird change to my routine. Of course, I have my coffee as usual. All right, I'm gonna get ready and I will kind of show you a little bit of my outfit, video outfit from this way up, and catch up with you in a bit. I'm running out of time, so I didn't really touch up the curls of my hair, but I think that's fine. And one of my favorite things to do is to twist back the front pieces of my hair whenever my hair is like not looking super fresh, because usually the length of it looks fine. It's just the roots get a little bit oily. So I put dry shampoo and then I just kind of pin them back. Super quick hairstyle, and I think it looks good on video when you're on video meetings because it really just like pulls it out of your face, makes it look like neat and presentable. And I just find like you look best on camera when you can like see your full face instead of having like hair in your face. So that's one of my tips. Also, I love wearing this dress on video. Obviously you can't tell it's a dress when I'm sitting on camera, but I like that it has a collar, so it just looks a little bit nicer without, you know, putting on like a blazer or something, which I just think is like too formal for a video meeting at my organization at least. But I love wearing a bright color because I think it looks really good on video. Not to mention my bright nails, but you won't see these on camera. These are the Sally Hansen Neon collection, and I did this look with all of the different shades from their collection. All right, gonna log on now. Join my meeting. If you can believe, I just finished a 3-hour meeting. It went really well, and it was a really good introduction to my team, so I'm glad that I was a part of it. And I actually got to so it was just supposed to be a presentation. Like, I wasn't going to be presenting anything because I'm new to the team. But I actually jumped in and was sharing some things about my old role that related to what we were talking about, and it was good. I got to have a little moment. But now it is lunchtime. Try not to show the big mess behind me. My brother is getting married in a week, so there's like all wedding stuff just everywhere around the house as we are getting ready for it. It is so exciting. I think I'm gonna try on my dress for you later in this video. because we just hemmed it. My mom was able to do that for me. So I wanna just try it on, make sure it's all good, and then just make sure everything's perfect and ready for the day. So I will do that later on in this vlog. But for now, I'm hungry and it's time to eat lunch. Also on the counter here are these beautiful flowers that Nikki sent for me for my first day, which was on Monday. So thank you, Nikki. They're so beautiful, and I should actually put them on my desk, but I have them here in the kitchen as a centerpiece. This is a piece of polenta lasagna that my mom made. It's her new favorite recipe, so it's polenta used as the layers to make a lasagna with just a meat sauce. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave to warm up, and that'll be a quick meal. I was just about to sit down and start eating, but look at this little face. Hi. Hi, Merlot. Oh, you're so cute. This is why I could never leave here, because you're so cute, and how could I resist working from home with you? So I'm back in the kitchen. It's been several hours later, and I'm just about to go into a meeting, but I really wanted a drink, so I wanted to show you the drink that I've been loving lately, which is the Nestle Pure Life Sparkling Water. Not sponsored, but these are my newest obsession. This is the pomegranate lemonade flavor, and it's just been one of my favorites lately. I used to be obsessed with these by San Pellegrino, the Essenza Blood Orange, which matches my my dress today. I really do love these still, but this is my latest obsession. My favorite thing to do is like fill a glass completely with ice, because I love ice, and then I'll drink half of this. It's just bubbly water. And I just find this is like my afternoon craving. Something a little bit sweet, although it is 0 calories, so must have like artificial sweeteners. That's my afternoon treat. Gotta go to my meeting now. Good morning. Another day, another coffee. I'm currently editing the video that I filmed a little bit ago where I tried a bunch of my espresso pods for the first time when I first got my machine. And so this video that I'm editing right now is just me consuming coffee. I swear I only have 1 cup a day. On the rare occasion I'll have 2, but this video, because it's like all compiled, it makes it look like I drink a lot of coffee. But good morning. I didn't really finish out my video yesterday, so I'm gonna keep going. It's pretty early. I forced myself to wake up earlier today. I already took a shower. I skipped out on my morning cuddle with Merlot, which he's not too happy about, but I really wanted to get working on this video before I dive into work. So I got up earlier to do that, and I'm probably gonna spend probably an hour here working on this video, and then closer to 9 I'll log on to work and start my work day. I just find I've slowly become more of a morning person, not a crazy morning person. I wake up at like 7, but I have become more of a morning person than I was before COVID, because I rather just like get up and start my day versus trying to do things at night when I'm tired. So that's what I'm doing this morning, and getting back on a bit of a better groove. Trying to get myself organized. Yesterday I ended up cleaning and organizing my room. I have a room upstairs that like I just let it get to a disaster, because I have like a bunch of nail polish stuff where I was doing swatches and had all my studio lights out, and then I had a bunch of PR packages where all the packaging I had just left it on the desk. So I like broke down all those boxes and got rid of all of the garbage and recycling, and just I feel better waking up this morning knowing that I tackled at least that. And then I was doing some stuff for the wedding. I'll show you a little bit later. I was making like thank you tags for the thank you gifts. Yeah, just slowly getting everything together and organized, trying to balance everything. Just seems to be a theme in my life. I'll check in with you in a bit when I get myself ready for the day. I said I would update you later, and it's now much later. My workday zoomed by. It's finally Thursday, and the first few days of my new role were kind of slow, but it's really starting to ramp up now, and I was in some good meetings. It was exciting, a lot of like collaboration, and it's like starting to happen, so it's making me excited. I'm just getting my water ready, and I'm gonna go for a walk now because it's 7:30, and I feel like I've just been inside majority of this week and I need to get outside. So I'm gonna go for a walk. It's super hot outside. Oh, I said the W-A-L-K word and he came to see me. Hi. Oh, do you want to come? What do I do? Don't worry, Merlot, Mommy's gonna be home soon. My mom actually isn't home yet. She went straight after work to go do her trial run for her hair for the wedding, which is exactly a week tomorrow. So we are in the 1 week countdown tomorrow. And it's crunch time, it's crunch time. So lots of wedding stuff going on. I need to go for a walk and like just prioritize a little bit of self-care for a moment. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. So much going on today. I just got back from getting my hair done. Okay, maybe it doesn't look that different in this lighting, but the blonde I got brought up a little bit, but I still wanted to be brown on the top and still feel like a brunette. You can see it, yeah. It's very subtle, and that's what I wanted. Like, I wanted it to be like a natural blonde looking, and when you lift up my hair, you can see more of the blonde because I really did not, yeah, you can see it more there. I really did not want to be blonde on the top. So the top layers are my natural color, but this is exactly what I wanted. Even like the toner, the ash color in the toner is perfect because I didn't want it to be too bright because the wedding is next week and it wouldn't have time to like neutralize itself. So anyways, I'm very happy with it. I also just got this bracelet in an Amazon package. I ordered it last minute because I needed a bracelet for the wedding. That's what I got. And now I'm running out the door because we're going to get ice cream for my brother's birthday today, but I will catch you up on the rest of my day later. It is the next day and I put on my dress for the wedding to do a bit of a trial. I have my jewelry on, so I'm gonna be wearing these rose gold hoops with these rhinestones. I don't know where these are from because they're actually my mom's. I got these hairpins from Shein. They're rose gold as well. I want my hair curled, but I was just kind of playing with it to see what kind of style I want, and I think this is what I want. I'm home by myself, so I don't know how I'm gonna show you this dress. I'll have to set up the camera further away. This ring matches the earrings. They're both my mom's, and then I bought this bracelet from Amazon. I wanted something different, but also I don't love rose gold jewelry, so I just wanted something simple because I knew it wasn't going to be like an investment piece for me. And okay, so this is the top of the dress. It's a one shoulder, very simple peach color. It's from David's Bridal. Hold on, if I put you on the windowsill, you will probably be able to see. All right, here we go. So it has a slit. The dress has a couple different layers, which is pretty. Oh, let me get my purse. This is the purse that I got from Aldo. I wanted something that had a strap. You can see my whole room, it's messy. I wanted something with a strap and something that was like a little bit bigger so that I can put all of my essentials of the day. So it's just a nude color, which matches my shoes. I'll do a close-up of my shoes. I love these. They are from Banana Republic and they're just strappy. And this is the look. This will be my mask, also from Aldo. Cute. So you can see my hair better in the natural light here. The top we left brown, but if you kind of section it, you can actually see that I did get highlights. I like it, it's natural, and that's what I wanted. I'm not wearing any makeup. That I'm not gonna do a trial of. That will be done on the day, but look, it's so pretty. It looks much better now that I'm tan versus when I originally tried this dress on. back before their original wedding date, which was May of 2020. It was like winter time, so I was not tan and it looks much better. I don't know what to do with my hair. I'm still deciding. I think this video will go up before the wedding, so leave me a comment below letting me know what you think I should do with my hair. It's gonna be curled for sure, but I'm not quite sure like what kind of style. I'm thinking because of the one shoulder, I would do it pushed back in this pin. Otherwise, I was kind of thinking like half up, half down kind of thing, with kind of maybe creating some volume by doing something pinned. I have 4 of these pins, so I have a little bit of flexibility on what I can do with them. I'm out of breath from just walking over there in my heels. But yeah, I'm excited. It's all coming together. Before I take my dress off, even though I have no other makeup on, I wanna see what kind of lip color I want. I got these from CoverGirl. They sent them to me in a PR package, and I thought this is the type of shade that I like. So let me try it and see if this will be my lip shade for the day, because I'm getting my makeup done professionally, but lipstick is something that you need to touch up, so you'll need your own lipstick. I assume you apply the color and then the top coat. Let me see. Apply color to clean lips, let dry for 60 seconds, don't press lips together, apply moisturizing top coat for shine and comfort, use as a lip balm to refresh throughout the day. To remove outlast, use CoverGirl Clean Makeup Remover for eyes and lips or baby oil. And I'm doing this in the viewfinder. So let's see. Is this the color I want? It's hard to tell because I'm not wearing any other makeup. What do you guys think? Since I had this one and it was brand new, I thought I would try it out. But you let me know. What do you think goes with this dress? Pardon me if I hiccup while I'm talking to you, because I've had the hiccups for like the last 30 minutes and they just won't go away. But it is Sunday night. I'm exhausted. This weekend has just been filled with more wedding prep. Tomorrow, Monday, is the wedding rehearsal and we're doing a dinner in the backyard. So it's just been a lot to prepare. I'm gonna do my nails in the morning and I'm working tomorrow. Definitely gonna be a long week, but Friday is the wedding. It's gonna be so exciting. I can't wait. And I think tomorrow at the rehearsal, it's gonna feel like so much more real. It already is feeling so real. So we did a lot of prep today. We cleaned the entire house, got everything ready. I was just downstairs with my mom. We were DIYing like these hair scrunchies for the flower girls. It's gonna be so cute. But anyways, that's it for this vlog. Stick around for more. I'll film what I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!